Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat full screen problem. So guys, if you try to take picture from Snapchat camera, then it's turned into half screen. So if you want to turn into full, then you have to close this page from here. And firstly guys, you have to open Play Store and make sure that if your Snapchat app is updated. So as you can see guys, my Snapchat app is updated because I have updated my Snapchat app. That's why I'm facing this type of error, because in new update you are facing this type of error. So just simply go back from here, and after that guys, just simply you have to open settings. Now just simply scroll it down, then you have to look at apps and just simply search for camera. And it is your camera, so just simply you have to clear cache, clear storage, for stop the app, then go back from here, and after that check the form has been fixed or not. And upon success there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to search for Snapchat old version. Here it is guys, just simply you have to look it for this. Now just simply you have to tap on this. Now wait some second from here, and just simply you have to scroll it down a bit. So you have to look at for December app. Here it is guys, so you have to tap on this Snapchat 12.11.1.28. So as you can see it in December 2022, just simply you have to tap on this, and just simply you have to install this one. Download from here this app. After that you have to uninstall your previous Snapchat app. So after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.